This scope costs right about $250, and it's one of the 3 budget scopes I'm putting head to head in an upcoming scope showdown. But first, let's see what's in the box.
What's in the box?
All right, let's find out. All right, first thing we see is the scope itself. I'm gonna go ahead and pull that out. Get it unwrapped here real quick. All right, I'm gonna lay that right there for you. We've got a set of rings, a Torx key with a few screws, extra screws for the rings, and a little goodie bag with what looks like a chamber flag, a cleaning cloth, an extra battery, a sticker, the usual instructions, and the little plastic tool to take off the turret caps. And that is about it. Just set these out here so you guys can see what all is in the box.
Who's in the box?
All right, now taking a closer look at the scope itself, this is the Monstrum Challenger 5-36 by 56. Does come with this bikini style cover. Get that off of there too. It's a first focal plane, and it also features ED glass, which is something you normally see on more expensive optics. It also includes an illuminated reticle, a zero-stop turret, which again is pretty impressive considering this scope is sitting around $250. First impressions, just picking it up and looking at it, it actually feels pretty solid. Magnification ring's a little stiff, but really not that bad. Turrets, fairly tactile and audible. The windage turret is lockable. The elevation turret has a zero stop. The parallax knob is a little stiff, like on a lot of these. The illumination works very well. I'm surprised at that. All in all, out of the gate, it's looking pretty good. So the turrets feel pretty good. The controls feel pretty good. I think this thing is going to be a decent buy for something in this price range. Obviously, the real test is going to be getting this thing out on the range and seeing how the glass really performs. I'll be doing a full scope review on this one soon. And also, I'm going to be comparing it directly against 2 other scopes in a budget scope showdown to see which one actually gives you the best value for the money. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more honest gear reviews like this one. 3 scope showdown coming soon.